Okay, so let's go back on the minute. So anything between this is how I look at it now, guys. Okay, anything between 155 to 160 is a gray area, even though it is above VWAP. The confirmation for this move must be above 160, and if it does, like if we have maybe three candles above the 160 area, we can see a move all the way to 177. Um, that's something to probably keep on watch as well. Yeah, it's up 100%. But confirmation for us, a second leg on the bullish side can be above 160 here. You know, we'll let people know that we're trading this. Okay. G Sun is still trying. Yeah. A 175? Okay. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, I see that. But then there's 10K 140. Yeah. On the other side as well, you know? Yeah. Oh yeah. 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 It's like war, trying to keep you away from making them lose money. Makes sense? Yeah, it is testing that 160. I see your point 100%. Even though like back then, like a couple of hours ago right here, like one, two, three, four, five, six times. So 160, you guys, this line is very important. If it breaks below, like the way I think about it, if it breaks below 145, well, then, I mean, we have to. If I'm calling a short trade, it has to be at least below VWAP, right? So if it breaks and maintains structure, which means like candles, which it did here, it's so surprising. So if you look at this here, uh look how many like okay, so below the line we have one, two, three, four, five. I would have thought this is a confirmed short trade right there, because that exactly what happened with BNRG this morning. One, two, three, four, five candles below the line. It struggled three times right here to get above it. I would have probably shorted that stock from there. So I would probably lost money on this as well. This is confusing me right here, honestly. Exact 100. That's yeah, right there. You got exactly my thought on this. You like what happened with ADBB yesterday, right? If you flip the chart, it did really well, but it then went down. That's exactly what's going on here. And I think eventually this is going to be a short trade more than a bullish trade. But let's watch it for either way of the market, guys, right? This is what we do. We watch it from both sides of the market. If it does well on the bullish side, we'll take it bullish. If it does well on the short side, we'll just go short on it. But you are absolutely right. This is exactly the theory. Like, is I think the fact that it confirmed activity below 145, even with this spike in mind, I think this could be a nice short trade actually. I'm not gonna short it from here. I'm gonna have to wait until like it breaks below 145 again and it struggles to get back above it. That would be my cue for that short trade. So let's watch for that. OMH is open now. I think it's time for it to just get consolidated, like it halted down all the way to like what 160. Damn. Look like yeah, somebody's trying to sell 100,000 at 160 now. Everybody just wants to get out. But I could see so many orders still look up there. Like there's that a million, a quarter million shares at 194. Makes sense? I may take me like some lunch money from it actually when it opens now because I think it's gonna bounce to $2 again. I'm gonna add LVWR on the banner up there. That way we can all again. You guys, if you're on my stream, if you have, go ahead, Habib. It did? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's right now. Let me open up the chart on it. I'm gonna I'm gonna put up a banner. That way we can all like just kind of like if somebody just joined the live. So we are on LVWR. And you guys, when you see a banner says build up, it means candles above that level, at least 3 to 5 candles on the minute. On the bearish side is 145 basically. Yep. That way, you guys, um, what happens when we do this, the way I work basically, I'll I will let the trade decide. G Sun is breaking 55, guys. Okay, I will let the trade decide whether I'm gonna go on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Make sense? Damn, if I bought that order at 38. So you guys, we're watching too. Now let's go back to G Sun. We're at that 55 area, guys. Okay, you see that line at 55, and let's just put it on the 5 minutes. That way, it just oh yeah, 100% at this point. At this point, this is a very nice bullish movement right there on it. Even though it dipped down a little bit now, but it's probably an opportunity for people to grab more. Honestly, you know. Is it 47? Oh, damn. So it just tested that line, you know? Yeah. Honestly, I just bought my shares back when I sold. Uh, yes, for the one I sold at 42, basically. Not like I'm not like it's not like guys I sold it. I didn't sell, okay. But what happened earlier, I trimmed down at 42, thinking it would go down below, so I can add them up. It didn't do it, and now probably because I added more, now it's gonna go to 36. You know? It's been that type of day, bro. Oh, LVWR, guys. Damn. A minute after we put the banner on there, it goes to 177. All right. I mean, it's exactly how the banner displayed it. Watching for build-up over, but the build-up never happened. Honestly, to be real, let me see how many minutes did we build up above 160. Like you guys, I'm being real with you. Even if I call this trade right, like I call it move to 177, but I still would have not gotten in. I'm gonna be honest with you, and that's why like don't follow my trades. Do you whatever you see me analyze something, just do you with it, you know? Wow, G-Sun, I knew this is gonna make that move that I've been waiting for right now after I buy it. This is crazy, man. This is actually very wild. Wow. So, LBWR, congratulations, guys, if you caught this. I didn't catch it. It's been that time of day for me. It's been that time of day where I analyze and yeah, and I think people that watch me made more money than I did today, you know? Yeah. Sorry, guys, something happened. I'm gonna just put Webull back on the screen here. Wow, man, don't tell me this is gonna dip now after I actually rebought those shares. Wallah haram, that's crazy. This dip is crazy, actually. Yeah, but it never actually built above 55. Neither did LVWR, but LVWR we were not in, so it went up. You know what I'm saying? G Sun, I'm in. So how come it's gonna go? No way it's gonna go up like that. I'm in it. Honestly, I mean, 155 might be the line if you think about it. 155? Yeah, because you could see complete action above it right there. Yeah. And then it went. So I remember I said 155. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. But then also earlier, yeah, it did go to that 160, and then it went to 160 yeah. again. So I'm like, wait, like is 160 the area? Yeah, too? Yeah. So wow, G Sun, it's probably and it's gonna bleed now. Actually, that's crazy. It literally tested that 55 area. Right now it goes to 360.80. Like I've been waiting for that. That order like did not never filled. I had been waiting for it. This is crazy. This is one of the worst days for my own trading, honestly. So probably. Mm, 5 minutes of dipping right there. Yeah, yeah. And now it's below 35 or whatever. It's 37. But I mean, looking at it, that's crazy, man. That's the second time it tested that 55 area. Yeah. And last time it tested it, it did the same thing. It dipped all the way to 37. So maybe we could see build up again. No, I don't think. I don't. I think. I think it's gonna end up below 30. Like maybe we should have focused more on LVWR. That's crazy. You guys, today has been kind of. It's been that day, you know. And what I like about my live streams, you see the raw emotions, the losses, the wins, everything, the way exactly it happens. No bullshit here, you know. We're not gonna make it look like we're not gonna sugarcoat our own trading here. If I make a mistake, you're gonna see it. If I lose money, you're gonna see my face change red. You know, you're gonna see everything. Okay, you take your time. And that's why you guys, if you notice, that's why you literally like if you watch my own trading all the time, anytime I watch for areas, I want to see it build up above it, not just like a little spike. There's just literally a rug pull right there, like a bull trap. So it has to be all the time, like activity above those lines. And I always say that it's not like a new thing that I say. If you watch me trade, this is exactly what I do, guys. I wait for confirmations, and if that confirmation happens, I won't panic. Today, every loss that I incurred or everything that happened, I was just FOMOing. I was just going in fast and whatever. What you guys? You know what I think happened this week? Shorts. I'm not kidding. Like shorts met up, made a big meeting, big hedge funds were like, you know what? The market has been squeezing us for the past month and a half or 2 months. Let's do something to make them panic. And I think that's what's happening today and yesterday. Like the same pattern. Like all these rug pulls, all these like if you see what happened to be on RG, like I think that's what's happening. So I'm not gonna panic. I'm actually gonna ride the wave with these mom MFs. That's why I wanted to wait for 55, and I wanted that break above 55 for you guys. For me, I'm in it. I FOMOed, I sold, I did all these mistakes. Um, Made a lot of mistakes today, honestly. And I like that I'm live making those mistakes, guys. Made mistakes in my own trading. And that's why you guys like whenever I say don't follow me blindly, I truly mean that because um sometimes I analyze things and I know that like the way I look and I break down those charts, I know like the move will happen. Sometimes I don't follow through with it, or sometimes I enter too quickly. I'm still a human being, and I'm trying to get better every single day. I am. Like right now, like for instance, LVWR. You guys, you saw that. I alerted it. I put it up there, and I still missed it. Like me, I actually alerted it, and I put it up. You can see a, like you can see the alert up there. I wrote it before the move, maybe like 5 minutes before the move, and you guys saw that live. It happened, but I didn't trade it. I didn't take the trade. So anyway, so LVWR, if I didn't take that move all the way to 177 as indicated, you see how it hit that line exactly there, right? And I'm not. That's why when I say, guys, like when people say the lines don't work or support and resistance is very basic. I mean, I say to these people, you are the basic one, because maybe your lines are not at the right place, and that's why you think they don't work. But if you watch me enough, guys, times, you'll see that the lines that I put and indicate on the chart. they get respected all the time, and it's not because I draw them beautifully or whatever. No, it's just because I follow price action. You know, easy. It really it is easy to do. It's not like magic. And with that being said, I still make mistakes. All right. You guys, this is exactly, I don't know if you follow, if you've been on the stream since earlier, this is exactly why I developed that gray area mythology here, okay? Because when we started looking at this, it was in the gray area. So we're like, okay, if it breaks above this level, and you can see why I determined that 117 was a very crucial level there. You can go back to historical data and find out why. But I was like, if I see break, if I see build up above 117, that could go to 125 and then 140s. That didn't happen. Then I was like on the other scenario right here, and I indicated this right there, this right here, guys. And I actually confirmed that short trade right here at 106. I was like, if we, and you can see the banner, like I'm gonna leave that stream open, the recording, that way you guys can watch how, like, how it happened. But you could see like here when I saw this complete confirmation and a struggle, that what we do all the time, that was confirmation for the short trade. So from an oh 06 all the way to 70s, that's almost 30% of that trade. And people say, if you don't think watching the stream is worth it, you are definitely crazy. I'm calling you crazy, because every single day, you guys, um there are multiple opportunities that would generate 10, 20% profits. And I'm not promising money. I don't do that, because at the end of the day, it's going to be you. I'm not going to execute trades for anyone. So all I say is just basically, I analyze the chart and say, I think this is going to happen, and this that's going to happen, and I make that decision to the people that view me, not me. All right. See now how we're testing that line again at 155. Let me show you guys. Okay, here's my theory on this. Okay, or a build. Do you see that banner? So we did that move. If you think about it, that 160 to 175 happened already, and that is a 10% move right there. Now we're at the crossroads of this trade right here. The way I think about it right now, okay, if it struggles to break above 155, goes down to 145, and it starts building below it, that would be my confirmation, guys, for a short trade all the way to probably like, let's see, like to right here to like 130. That's a 10% short, maybe a little less than 130. So at least a 10% move on the short side as well. So either way it goes now, if it builds above that 155, actually builds above it, I think it'll see another move to 160 and then eventually like break above that. But if it does the opposite and it goes back to 145 and it builds below 145, like I did here, this might, we talked about it earlier, you guys, if you were alive, this actually indicated the short trade, even with all this happening. I think we're going to eventually be, it'll eventually end today below 130. That's my own opinion. So, but I needed confirmation. I want confirmation below 145 so I can take it on the short side because this is here is enough confirmation. Even though it did spike, I'm okay with it. If you flip the chart and look at ADVB yesterday, it did the same. ADVB, we waited for 1830 as the line. It did build above it 10 minutes and then dropped all the way to 13, but eventually made the move to 25, like the move what we expected, but still had to do the whole move before reaching our target, right? Same thing happens here. Like the short was basically confirmed here below 145. You see it? But still, it went up all the way to 170. But I think eventually it's going to come down, build again, and that second time it will be that short trade all the way below 130. That's my own opinion, guys. Please don't follow me blindly. Always do your own due diligence on it. All right. You think Viva Core is going to do? Nah, it's below View up. We'll see what happens. Just watching the view now. Market is so choppy today. Like for the past, like even yesterday, guys, I'm telling you, man, shorts actually like kind of woke up to the market. We're like, you know what? We've been squeezed out of our own. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna keep my chart on LVWR because it is still trying to go above that 155 line again. Let's see if we have to have if it happens again. Let's see.
Did I miss any moves?
No,
Nothing, huh?
no, no, no.
Lunchtime in New York.
It is.
Yep.
I'm watching LVWR now, like it's testing that 155.
Mm.
But I'm more convinced on the short scenario on it,
Mhm.
honestly. You know,
That's true.
look at G Sun. How does something go like
Oh,
that?
wow.
Look at this here. Seriously, like how does something do this? Except that, except for the fact that it's the same person controlling it on the way down. Because not even retail can do that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Make sense? That's the same person. Same people that hold all these shares were like, oh, let's dump it. Let's get it all down to below 30. You know,
That's wild.
like below where it started. But the confirmation, to be real with me and yourself, I mean, I'm like the conf never happened. Not even like not even a single like 3 seconds above it,
Yeah.
and it dipped all the way to,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
it didn't even give people the chance to even exit at
Yeah.
55.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't know what honestly what I did with the ones I have from GSUN is
Yeah.
I unloaded at 37
Uh-huh.
and I put the order at 2680 here.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Okay.
It's gonna be a wash sale.
Yeah.
So I mean I don't really recommend it to anyone,
Yeah.
honestly, you know? But if I do the math, I think that outweighs how much money I would lose if I just kept it.
Yeah.
Make sense? Yeah, we'll see. Just been that type of day or today.
Yeah.
It's just that day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it, get the beating, get beat, and just go home. You know, if you're not able to take the beating when it's
Yeah.
that day, then by all means, you're not tough for the market.
Exactly.
You gotta take the beating, man.
Exactly.
Come, slap me, bro. Just slap me.
Yeah.
You know, I'm sorry. We've been squeezing you for 3 months, Mister Short.
Yeah.
We are sorry, bro.
Yeah.
We've been squeezing your asses. So now shorts are like literally taking back control. You know.
I mean, honestly, good thing I learned. I learned fast yesterday. I took one big beating and left.
Why didn't my order get filled? Tell me again.
For
Tell me.
GSM?
Yeah. I have an order at 27.98. Oh, 28.60. Not yet, not yet. Very close to it. 28.05. Imagine it doesn't get there. I have 27.98. Did it get filled? Yeah, I should. I got it. I got the whole thing. Wow. Damn. It's one of the craziest like days I've ever been to in the market.
Yeah.
Seriously, it's and I've noticed the pattern since yesterday. I was like, man, something weird.
Yeah.
Shorts, like even I think Trump isn't on it. Like someone is in on these big moves.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Like they were, you know what? Shorts have been
I
we've
mean,
been
today is
squeezed.
slightly better than yesterday. I mean,
Honestly,
some of them made the move.
I feel like today is actually kind of worse. Honestly, you know.
Yeah.
But my average on G Sun is 30. I think that's
Yeah.
in retrospective. If it does flip on the other side at some point today, I'll get a little bit of money back. Make
Yeah.
sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna just focus on LVW. I'm gonna let G Sun play itself out, whether it goes to hell or goes. I don't care at this point. Really, I'm gonna just try to get my money somewhere else. LVWR is getting closer to that short scenario. Basically, makes sense.
Yeah.
But it has to go below 145 and build below 145 to confirm that move. Just can't you can't tell me it's the same people that were buying here, retail or whatever. Retail is not selling here. That's just a whale dumping their shares. They're just dumping because guess what? They probably bought it. Let's just look on the daily. They probably bought it at below 22 right here. Makes sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
So anywhere they dumped from 40 all the way down is their own profits.
Yeah.
And it's just the weak hands that get trapped in these moves,
Yeah.
honestly. Like if you're experienced enough, you should grab more here. Make sense?
Yeah.
That's what I did. We'll see. I could be wrong, but I think that I made the right move here. You know?
Yeah.
And honestly, guys, this is one of the lamest live streams I've had
Yeah.
in a while. So lame. It's just
Yeah.
there's nothing. I mean,
It's
we've
just I
done.
don't know what happened. Well, I
Yeah,
mean, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
we're
like
great.
the
Yeah,
market was hot.
yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
yeah.
Thursday, Friday, I don't know.
Telling you Schwartz to control the market.
Yeah.
They did.
Yeah.
They really did. They were like, we're not gonna let this happen to us. They've been squeezed. They lost a
Yeah.
lot of money for the
Yeah.
past 2 3 months.
Yeah.
So I'm telling you, like hedge funds got together and were like, you know what, we need to do something.
Yeah.
Like, we need to do something. Like let's all short the market.
Yeah.
Like let's
Yeah.
go heavy on something to scare people off. And I think that's probably what's happening.
LVWR at the 155.
Yeah, it's testing it. I see that.
I just know those shorts are bad right now.
With LVWR.
Yeah, the ones that got in on that 10-minute activity right there, I know they're bad. Like, what the hell is going on? If they're patient enough, though, this will go down. I'm pretty sure. Like, there's
LVWR. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
like
It's like
It's literally
80.
what happened to me
Yeah,
yesterday, but on the Bears side.
yeah,
Like,
it's
bro,
true. But honestly, looking at it on the 5 minutes, man, looks nice.
yeah,
LVWR.
yeah,
So we're not gonna speculate whether it goes on that short side or bull side, man. It's just we're gonna take that trade. I'm gonna take that second trade now, but I'm waiting for like a build up above 155, basically
yeah,
minimum, like 5 minutes above it, like the way we did here,
yeah,
maybe.
yeah.
Let's see.
Then also, you look at it earlier. It had one, two, three, four, five, like 5, 6, 7, like 10 minutes of activity above that 155,
Yeah.
and it still went down, but it went back up. So it's just like you never know.
Yeah, honestly, I think the line was 155 for the move. Like when it
155.
when it built above it, that was
Yeah.
like that was the cue right there. Yeah. That's why like having the line is so. Sometimes remember even we had that like 2 weeks ago, like when it was building below a line. I was like, if somebody had the line just 5 cents below
Yeah.
they would have
Yeah.
thought that's a bullish move.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
That's true.
But the chart was actually struggling at that point.
It's building nicely now.
Yeah, I see that.
Hmm.
Again, you guys, if you have any charts or anything that you want us to put on the screen, kind of like look at it together, hopefully trade it together, let me know. Shoot that in the comments and I'll look at it. There isn't a lot going on in the market today, really. I mean, it's a lot of rug pulls, a lot of weird activities, really. So waiting for confirmation is the key here. The confirmation for LVWR earlier was 160. Remember when we confirmed that move from 160 to 175 and it did happen? Now the second time now is it has to build above that 155 line. You see it on the screen. It has to build above it. If it doesn't, then it's just not there. And what I mean about by saying build above it, it has to like have transactions completely above the line. So you see 157 now, we'd have to count like for 3 minutes completely, guys. I would put the times and sales here, times and sales, and watch every single order that's being fulfilled. It has to be above 155. If a single order goes for 154, then it is just not there yet. Okay, so let's watch together. Every single order, see like 158, 157, 157, 158. That could indicate the next move to that 175 area, probably higher this time. Second time sometimes does higher than the first time. So this is basically the first candle above that 155. Let's watch together, guys, and see if this theory plays out. So we have 155, not a single order at 154, right? 156, totally normal. Everything is still normal.
Probably gonna hit that 160 area here soon.
Yeah.
But it's gonna consolidate like right there between 155 and 160, and then it'll go. Because that's what happened last time.
But every single order basically is still above 155.
That's true.
That's second minute right there. If I see a single order below 155, that would indicate weakness. And weakness means the bull or the whale that's trying to push this up might not have enough money to cover all the sales. You might think that's silly, but that's actually true. This is exactly what day trading is. It's about the people that are buying and selling, and you're gonna ride the wave with them, unless you're one of them, right? So that is complete 2 minutes above that line. Not complete. Like it's still 12 seconds on the counter. On the counter. Do you see the counter right here, guys? It counts each single minute for me. So we're gonna count another maybe 2 minutes above that line. I'm okay waiting. Third minute is pushing up as well to that 160. OMH. Remember when I said I was gonna buy like 50 shares and I didn't?
Yeah.
I remember I said like that would stop it.
Yeah.
And that would have stopped it. I would have been so pissed now because it never really went above that.
Oh my god, 1.1.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Damn.
Like it really never.
Wallah, that's crazy.
That's crazy. I know. It looked like it's gonna go to 40. And that's how. Remember we talked about shiny cars? They make it shiny for you. That way you can just jump on the sale right there. So that's another minute above the line for LVWR. Nope, no, that whale is not any order above that 155 area. He's just nope. I ain't let you go there. And that is how you guys know a good whale right there with good money. We with you, Mr. Whale. You know, watching you.
Push it up a little bit.
He's waiting for us to push it up for him a little bit. I think once I see like 160, maybe like I'll jump on it. But how many minutes do we have above 155 now?
4 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
That's pretty nice action.
It is. If I laid out a short scenario for SEO, for G Sun would have been a nice trade. I didn't even think about it on the short scenario. Yeah, from 40, like basically the line was at 44. So from 44, that's like literally almost 30, almost 40% short trade from there. I didn't even think about it on the short side.
Honestly, I'm waiting for 135 on OMH anyways. Because that's the line.
Let me see.
135 to 160.
No, it's actually testing exactly the line. It's just literally right now texting it.
Where's yours at?
120, I think. Hold on. 121. See it?
Yeah.
It's literally going back to it and testing it right now. LVWR still like above 155. That's very impressive, actually. You guys, I'm a little sleepy. I've been up since like 3 in the morning. I live in California, so the market opens at 1. It dropped. That's kind of weird, man.
Yeah.
That's a weird market today.
It did that last time. I don't know.
It's just a weird ass market.
Yeah. If you go back.
My God.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Shorts are mad at us. The god of the squeeze is kind of like pissed off or something, you know?
This is crazy. So the break over 120 indicates that move to 165 on
Yeah.
OMH.
121. Let's
121.
yeah, let's see. 121 would take it to right now. Basically, you're gonna have to see where the struggle below, like on the minute, it would be probably to 135 ish.
135.
Yeah. Still though, that's 10% move.
Yeah, yeah.
You know. It is trying to break that 121 actually.
Yeah. Let's look at the volumes. Average volume is good. It is 22 million free float. So what is considered a low floater?
Low floater. It depends on the like low floater generally should be anything less than 3 million shares in the free market. In the public market, okay. Um, you got to look at it on the day with match it up with how much volume that is. Makes sense. So if you have like 200 million shares or 200 million shares being traded and the float is like less than a million, yeah, that's something can go 20, $30.
Yeah.
It won't even budge if it did, you know? Wow, G Sun, man. Oh my God. It's like down 20% now. 30%. Look from that move, bro. It is down almost 50% from that up here. Like right now. 50%.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's done dropping. I honestly don't. I think it's gonna like go for more, drop for more. This is insane. This is just absolutely insane. Wow. Okay. Now going back to LVWR. I want to like count how many minutes we had above the line. One, two, three, four, five.
Yep.
That's crazy.
And go back a little bit, like a little bit.
Here?
Um, was it here?
Yeah.
Wait, go back. Go back. Here. You see the same thing happen.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes, and then it would drop back all the way to 140.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, I could see what you're saying.
so maybe now, if it starts building back up,
From that line.
yeah, that could be
Yeah.
the move to 177.
Yeah, I agree.
Or if the shorts take over, it could go down close.
Shorts have taken over the market
Yeah.
since yesterday. I
Yeah.
could tell. It's crazy. I hate it. We've had the market for so long, and they were like, "Nope, we're not gonna do this. Let's scare some bulls." And I hate the fact that I hate about. There's a lot of weak hands in the bull community. Like they
Yeah.
will panic and sell, and
Yeah, that's true.
like that's why shorting is easier than the other way around because it's easier for people to sell than actually buy.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, especially with that new rule.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a lot of rookies.
A lot of rookies, a lot of weak hands, and a lot of people that would just yeah. That rule actually, people thought it was gonna help the market. I really truly knew it was gonna fuck the market.
Yeah.
I knew it, and I think that's the reason they brought him in. You know?
Yeah.
To kind of like easier prey for them. Make
Yeah.
sense?
That's true.
They were like, okay, the old retail is getting experience. We need new, fresh money. You know?
LVWR.
No, still.
Yeah.
I honestly think this is gonna end up being a short trade, like we said earlier. Yeah. OMH didn't go past that 121 either.
Yeah, I know. What is that BIOT? It's
I
it's
saw
just
that.
weird.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, no, the volume. I mean, the volume to average volume ratio is there, but
Yeah.
it's only 94K.
Hmm. I mean, if you look at OMH, maybe that struggle at 121 confirms that short trade as well. I know, but
Yeah.
I'm not gonna short it either. Halted at 96 OMH.
96. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I think it's gonna end up below 30 cents.
OMH.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the way the pattern have been going today. LVWR did not go down below that one. Did not really build below that 145 for that short scenario. So it's still in the gray area. You know what I mean, guys? Like just gray, like here between both lines. No entries between lines here for me personally. Breaks above it, builds above it like it did here. I honestly thought this was good enough. So the next time that it breaks above it, we're gonna have to wait for more than this, okay? So we'll see. How is the general market doing right now? Let's see. We don't want to be missing anything when we're just watching other things. Nah, we're not missing anything. Actually, the market is like not the best today. You guys, I'm gonna leave you with these thoughts. Market is not really doing its thing today. Let's just go recap what I'm still gonna watch for. LVWR, if I see it break and maintain above 155, it has to go up more than what happened here. So maybe 6 minutes on the minute candle, completely above 155, could indicate another move to the mid 170. But if we go on the bearish side, if we have 5 minutes or 6 minutes below 145, completely below, like every time that it would try to struggle, like break up, it would struggle. that would indicate a short trade. Both sides can give us 10-15% minimum on the trade. So whether whichever side it goes, we can still make money with it. The second one that I'm watching here is hold on, let me just go back. Honestly, right now is probably the only one. GSUN went to 55 and now it's literally being murdered. Like, well, I'm just gonna call the cops for it, you know? So any bounce that happens on GSUN will bounce to 31 basically, okay? But if I'm gonna play a reversal on this, guys, reversal must be above 31 basically. So what I think is gonna happen now, it'll like build itself up to that area. I'm gonna put a line on it. That way we can actually recap it tomorrow, okay? So I'm gonna put a line on this here at 31. See it? 31 exactly like this struggle candle. That's what I'm looking for right here. This one right here. Hold on. Right there. Yep, 3160 basically. I think any bounce from here is gonna go test that area. From here to there, that's 10% if I'm willing to take the higher of a risk. But if I want to play the actual reversal on this one, it would be from like build above this line right here. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna leave it till tomorrow. I'm gonna log off the live session and basically this is maybe I've done two trades today, like I've not done it myself. Like every trade that I took myself is not a good trade, but like I've analyzed two trades for you guys and both of them did actually really well. And you can watch the video and watch BNRG being called as a short trade, and the second one I'm not sure which was LVWR. Yes, we did that as well. So anyway, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here, and good luck.